I wanted to move this. Girl, I know I sound so terrible right now. It was because I was screaming at the top of my lungs. Really bad. I'm gonna do some quests. So I'm gonna leave a code for Starstable so you can get free star coins. 300. I spent all mine, but like, yeah. Okay, so we collecting presents. Yes, you can hear my phone in the background. My throat, though. My throat. It's probably not the best idea to be making a video. Got it. And yes, I went shopping. You should look at Melody's phone. She's so cute. So cute. It's like so quiet because like I'm gonna have music in the background. Of course, I always kind of, not always, but most of the time. I'm gonna get the reindeer powder so you know what the reindeer looks like. I think you guys do. I have to do okay. I have to do one of I have to do one of the races. Girl. So you can kind of see there's a reindeer right there. You can kind of see what the reindeer looks like. I'm gonna get the powder or the mustache because, girl, you should know me by now. Oh, there we go. Thank you, sir. Okay, here we go again. Like, this is a tough race. Like, do you guys like my outfit? Do you even like the shoes? It was expensive. Very expensive. I was like, whoa. Yeah, it was not good. I will tell you that. It was not good. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh, I feel so bad now. You see, like, honey, you should have moved. Oh! Okay, we good. We good. Oh my goodness. If you catch me, I'm gonna be so mad. Ooh, did it. I'm so laggy right now. Girl, laggy. My throat hurts so bad. So bad. But I was like, girl, I need to suck it up, Buttercup, because we're making a video today. No buts, no it, no. There's, I'm gonna make a video today. That's what I said. So I'm making a video today, whether my throat likes it or not. By the way, my microphone is so bad. This is the okay. Okay. Oh! Haha. Beat that! I did it! Whoa! What is he carrying? Whoa! Go! Oh! You see how laggy I am right now? It's probably so laggy on the screen. I don't know. It better be good quality. Girl, move. I don't like it. Ooh, I love that horse though. So give me my money, please. Okay, now we can get the reindeer thing. Oh, my throat! I actually really need to fix this because this is like bothering me. Okay, we're good. We're good. We are good. I will show you Melody Fire. No, why? Okay. Like, I thought their outfits were pretty cute. I didn't like it on Coco Fly because it just didn't match him, you know? I kind of wanted the beard, but like, honey, it's 24. And I was like, no. Okay, so here's the powder. Okay, okay, scooch. Gotta scooch. Okay. So, I believe it does 30 seconds. Okay, come on. I know where that horse is at. No, don't think. I think you're the only one that got it. Got it. Yeah. Okay, so what you need to do. My throat really hurts though. I can't even come up with sentences. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you grab the reindeer powder. 30 seconds or like, you know, you kiss it or like throw it on your horse. Oh my gosh, I didn't see this one. Oh yes, I did. I think I did. Yeah, basically you have your own reindeer. Why do I still have it? I don't know. So yeah, that's the reindeer. I'll show you how it jumps, wait, a frog, told ya, not recommended, yeah, cute, right, cute. So Coco Fly, this is why I did that to you. It was because, so now I'm gonna be showing off my horse, because I can. And I kind of want to. Well, like, not really. Just to, you know. I didn't care for the, for what I bought. I'm kind of like, why did I choose that? You know what I mean? You will see what I mean. Like, the bending for that to go on. Yeah. It was like, no, I don't like it. But I will show you what I mean, so you're not all confused. But yeah, I'm gonna show you Coco Fly. Here we go. Yeah, I know you can hear the background noise. Because it's anime. Like, come on. And so I had a rough week. Yeah. You can guess why. I don't know. Like, okay, we're gonna go here. So yeah, I had a pretty tough week for me. I wouldn't say it was terrible, you know, but I just didn't, you know. We go into my stables. I didn't know if I should get leg wraps for Melody Fire because I don't know. I was like, I do not know. I can finally have a reindeer in my stable. That's cute. So, if you buy one of these powders and the Christmas stuff is all done, you can't use their reindeer powder. Which, that kind of sucks. Girl, and there's Melody Fire. You will see what I mean. Like, I like bridal, but I didn't like that. Yeah, I didn't like that at all. It's like, girl. But like the outfit matches, it was like, you know, I thought like my outfit was cute, kind of like that. Cause I tried it on Coco Fly. I was like, that doesn't look right because he's like gray and stuff. It's like, that doesn't look right. And the cat is in the background. Okay. Like, this is it. So cute. I thought kind of like I need to turn this like into silver or like something grayish. Yeah, I didn't really like this part because it just looked like it didn't match. It didn't look right. It's like, girl. But overall, I think it's pretty cute. You know, like, even like I got some new shoes and stuff, and I will show you what level they are. They are pretty good high leveled. The hat is, let me see, 7. Which the rating is 4 and the command is 2. And then this shirt is player level 5. I thought the pants were cute. So it's level 7. Most of them is gonna be 6 or 7 or 5. And then yeah, this is 6. I thought it was pretty cute. And Melody 5 stuff is player 7 and player 4. And we go to the bridal and player 6. So yeah. So if you just like, you know, like this is sub quality stuff, you know what I mean? It's cute stuff. Cause I was like, cause I love the bridal and stuff. I thought it was cute. And then I was planning on changing the hair for me. I don't know, like, I just don't like it. Like, you want me to take the hat off? I will take the hat off so you can see, like, what hair I have. Wait, I can't take this. Like, I'm not a big fan of it. It's just like, no. So let me put my hat on. I think there's, okay, there's not a glitch. I'm good. Like, no, this is alright stuff. I didn't get it from here. I will show you where I got it. I will show you where I got it so you can look for it. So yeah, I will be there. Okay, so you come over here by Fort Pinta, and yeah, well, first I gotta get off of my horse, of course. And we go to Jorvik Mall. And then I just headed to some different stores. Like, okay, I can show you, I guess, what kind of malls I went to. I think I only went to 2. I think, I'm not quite for sure. Just for the cute stuff. I think I went to this store and over there. So those are not really, you know, they got some cute stuff, but pricey. Like, oh my gosh, I could tell you, like, very pricey. Thank you for watching the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, it was kind of fun making this video just for you guys. Tell me in the link below if you want to know how to download Starstable, because I definitely do that. And yeah, bye.